Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we will talk about stylish handmade designs and ideas, beautiful hand embroidery designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Hand embroidery is a wonderful art that allows us to decorate fabric using simple stitches and colorful threads. It is relaxing, creative and enjoyable for people of all ages. One of the best things about hand embroidery is that you do not need expensive tools. You only need fabric, embroidery thread, a needle and a embroidery hook. With these simple materials, you can create amazing designs. Floral designs is very most popular styles. Flowers, leaves and vines look beautiful on dresses, shirts, tablecloths and pillow covers. Roses, daisies, sunflowers and lavender flowers are common choices. Different thread colors can make floral patterns look bright and attractive. Another popular idea is embroidery with simple geometric patterns. These designs use shapes like circles, squares, triangles and lines. Geometric embroidery gives a modern and neat look. It is perfect for beginners because the patterns are easy to follow. Many people also enjoy nature-inspired embroidery. Birds, butterflies, trees and small animals can make fabric look unique and artistic. A colorful butterfly design on a handbag or cushion covers can become a beautiful decoration. Traditional embroidery designs are also loved around the world. Different countries have their own embroidery styles and patterns. These designs often include detailed flowers, borders, and cultural symbols. Traditional embroidery adds elegance and beauty to clothing and home decor. For beginners, simple stitches are a great place to start. The running stitch is one of the easiest stitches. It is used for outlines and simple patterns. The back stitch creates smooth lines and is perfect for writing names or drawing shapes. The satin stitch fills areas with color and gives a smooth finish. The French knots creates teeny decorative dots that look like flower centers. Embroidery can be used on many items. You can decorate shirts, jackets, tote bags, handkerchiefs, cushion covers, and even wall art. Handmade embroidery makes ordinary items look special and personal. Many people find embroidery relaxing after a busy day. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.